Welcome to another new episode of Be Smart. Hope you are all doing well. Today we will be gaining some insight on various mass extinctions and at the same time when and why they have occurred. If you like our video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Well, let us put it like this, more than 99% of all organisms that have ever lived on Earth are extinct. As new species evolve to fit ever-changing ecological niches, older species fade away. But the rate of extinction is far from constant. Which means at least a handful of times in the last 500 million years, 75 to more than 90% of all species on Earth have disappeared in a geological blink of an eye in catastrophes. I mean, just like that, we call mass extinctions. Earth has witnessed 5 mass extinctions when more than 75% of species disappeared. I mean, that's a lot if I am not wrong. Let's get into these extinctions one by one. Number 1. ORDOVICIAN-SILURIAN extinction, 444 million years ago. The Ordovician period, from 485 to 444 million years ago, was a time of dramatic changes for life on Earth. Over a 30 million year stretch, species diversity blossomed, but as the period ended, the first known mass extinction struck. Their demise over about a million years was probably caused by a short, severe ice age that lowered sea levels, possibly triggered by the uplift of the North America's Appalachians. The next mass extinction is Late Devonian extinction, 383 to 359 million years. Starting 383 million years ago, this extinction event eliminated about 75% of all species on Earth over a span of roughly 20 million years. Some species survived the first great extinction but were nearly wiped out in the second. The likely culprit was the newly evolved land plants that emerged, covering the planet during the Devonian period. The next biggest extinction is Permian-Triassic extinction, 252 million years ago. The cataclysm was the single worst event life on Earth has ever experienced. Over about 60,000 years, 96% of all marine species and about 3 of every 4 species on land died out. What caused it? A perfect storm of natural catastrophes, as is often the case with mass extinctions. A cataclysmic eruption near Siberia blasted CO2 into the atmosphere. Global temperature surged while oceans acidified and stagnated, belching poisonous hydrogen sulfide, which led to another extinction. The fourth one is Triassic-Jurassic extinction, 201 million years ago. The discovery of an intact fossil in Scotland in the 1980s finally revealed their owner, a jawless eel-like vertebrate, named the conodont, which boasted this remarkable set of teeth, lining its mouth and throat. They were one of the first structures built from hydroxyapatite, a calcium-rich mineral that remains a key component of our own bones and teeth today. Paleontologists were baffled about the origin of these toothy fragments. Of all the great extinctions, the one that ended the Triassic is the most enigmatic. No clear cause has been found. Final one is Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, 66 million years ago. One day about 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 7.5 miles across slammed into the waters off of what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula at 45,000 miles an hour. The massive impact, which left a crater more than 120 miles wide, flung huge volumes of dust, debris, and sulfur into the atmosphere, bringing on severe global cooling. Wildfires ignited any land within 900 miles of the impact, and a huge tsunami rippled outward from the impact. Overnight, the ecosystems that supported non-avian dinosaurs began to collapse. Global warming fueled by volcanic eruptions at the Deccan Flats in India may have aggravated the event.